Okay, Tiger, show me what you got. Hold it right there, Twinkle Toes. What are you, some kind of ice skater? You planning on ballroom dancing with this guy? Or are you gonna fight him? That's better. Now hit him below the belt. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Now, get him in a headlock and pound him. Pound him. Use your thumbs. Great, great. Kid, I think you've got the makings of a champion.
Hey.
Hi, Hammock. Sorry about your robot.
What? Oh, him? He wasn't really working out anyway. But hey, this guy, something else. Look at the legs on this thing. Look at those feet. None of your carbon fiber plastic junk on this guy. That's solid pig iron.
Astro got it running, which I'm still having trouble believing.
But it's been dead for at least a century. How did you do it? Please, tell me. How did you do it?
I just kicked it, you know, like a vending machine. Give me back my money. It was nothing.
You hear that, kids? A genius with modesty. I didn't think it occurred in nature. Ah, you're almost too good to be true, kid. Keep this up, and I may just have to adopt you. Holy cow. This thing's got enough juice to run a city.
Well, what's that?
Oh, nothing, son. Just another machine with a mind of its own.
Ready, guys?
Wait, did you hear that?
And you were... How did you do that?
I'm faster than I look.